question. How do I get that on that? Here we go.
You got me open, I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. You got me open,
This is bad. This bottom, I think it needs to be replaced. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I needed to stop right here because I needed to address this bottom middle cabinet door. It, over time, I don't know if it broke or whatever, but as you can see, there's a bit of a gap, so I need to address this before I move on to the next step. Got it. In the world am I supposed to get that dark piece of furniture to have a lighter finish besides stripping and sanding? If you were just to put a top coat on that, it would still not get the look you wanted. It would be a little bit darker. So what I do prior to that is do a paint wash. And what you need is some paint, paintbrush, and a shop rag. So what I do is I take a mixture of melange paints, knapsack, khaki, and stone, and I mix those together. And then what I do is do a 50-50 mix of paint and water. Stir that up. Then you get your brush. You brush it on, and it's going to be very, it's not going to be very thick. So you got to work somewhat fast. Put it on there, and you can see what I do here. But put it on, or in sections if it's a big piece, and then you get your shop rag and just wipe it down. And what that does is it's going to lighten the wood, it's going to even out the tones, it's going to hide some of the imperfections, and it's just going to get the look you want. And if you want it to be a little lighter, you can always use a little more paint, or depending on what you want, a little less water. So that's my process. I do that. I'll sand it down just a little bit, just to get rid of the, when you put water on a piece, the grains rise up a little bit. So you want to do a high grit, sand that down, and then you just get a top coat. And what I typically use is either Armadillo from Melange Paints, or I'll use a General Finishes top coat, which I love too. So this is what I use in a nutshell.